You must know I haven't yet, they just move away from me all the time. But you must stay closer to me. What a mission! And I don't know, the GoPro's on my head. I don't know when it's on, when it's off. I'm just pressing buttons. Oh, it's so annoying, so annoying. We saw some yellowtail, and there's a lot of cartonkel with the yellowtail, but the water is unclear and you see them for a second and they're gone. But yeah, let's see if we can land at least get a fish on the deck. Woo, fish on! Woo! High five!
Yay! I know you can do it! This is the best spot!
Lovely, look at these birds. And we got one on the spear, and now we're gonna rig up the line and see if we can get one on the line. Woo! It is very exciting. I know you want this one. I know they want this one.
Here we have something on!
We have it on the line!
Woo!
Oh, don't tell me, shake it. He's coming in. Here he is. Woo! He has a kick in him. Oh, it came off. Don't know if you saw that, but yo, very disappointing. Nothing is wrong, it just, as it was at the boat, it just spit out the spinner. Oh, that would have been so fun to catch one on the stick. Okay, let's see where the school is and then we're gonna try again. There they are. Let's go. Oh, it's nicely in the fish. It's 11 meters deep water here. Yeah, so what one is looking at is you are looking at the birds. Like my wife mentioned, they hunt the same little fish. So the yellowtail or skipjack tuna pushes up these little bait fish to the surface, and then the birds is also hunting that same little fish that the yellowtail is pushing to the surface. So we are just following the birds, and we are waiting for them to dive down to go and hunt those little birds, meaning that the bait fish, the yellowtail has pushed up the bait fish, meaning that that if we cast in there, we have got the better possibility of catching the yellowtail. See squid, they love it, but in the squid's mouth there's 2 hooks. So let's see how they go for this. Really excited to try them out, and they are newly rigged, and let's see how they perform. We've got it. So as soon as we hook this over here, and as soon as the fish bites, then it pulls the bungee, and then we hook. Yeah, the fish is right here next to us. Look, Look.
Yeah.
But nothing beats a nice cup of hot chocolate. Sorry. Nice cup of cappuccino. When you are trolling for the fish. Oh, and the best is when it's ice cold. We can call this ice coffee.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's delicious. I'm just thankful to be out here, really. Whoa. I'm so excited. I know they want to eat this. Oh.
I can't really see what's this.
Yeah, they caught me. See all these birds here? All these birds diving. The school of fishes here around us. And just spinning, but I don't know why they're not biting my spinner yet. Woo. They are here. This, which we were trolling with, it was not successful, unfortunately not. Then we had the spinner out again with the fishing rod, also not successful. But just to give a conclusion of this yellowtail, I did spearfish. Looking down on the water, I was under the school of birds. I looked in the water and I saw that little bait fish just swimming underneath me. And I saw, when I knew they were underneath me, I knew the yellowtail is not far behind. So I went down, and as I went down, I just see the yellowtail swimming around me. The waters was quite dirty, so I could just see some, 3 or 4 here close to me. And I took my shot, and it ducked a bit down. I stretched out, I took my shot, and the visibility wasn't that great, but I managed to land the shot and get the yellowtail. Happy, I'm really happy. I'm happy to have landed this fish. Now roughly 6 o'clock in the evening, or 5:45. And a lovely day. Thank you to be with us. We said we want to thank all the subscribers, and we want to thank all the nice comments we get from Germany, from Romania. We thank you all. We are reading every comment. Really happy to my wife, Skipper over here, that needs all the credit, that made it all possible, of dropping me into the nice fish and just driving up and down, left and right and center. And we're happy we got some meal for tonight. Much love from our side.
My summary of the day. So it's been very unexpected because we found some yellowtail, and as my husband showed you, he was shooting one, so that's quite good for the day. It's quite an achievement. It was really hard work. We were hunting that yellowtail left and right and following the birds, looking where they are flying to, which direction, so we know where to position our boat. Yeah, so it was a lot of observing. My eyes are a bit tired, but definitely worth it. The weather was a bit cloudy, cloudy most of the time, but otherwise, yeah, it's been a lovely day. And we also had some fun times, also some fails, but you just learn out of it, and then next time you try to prevent the mistakes from happening. So yeah, all in all, it was an intense day, and the ride back was now really wild and bumpy, and wet. I was showered with ocean water, but I always enjoy being out, and it just makes me feel alive. It's really nice to connect with the nature and to take in the fresh air, and yeah, just observe the birds, the seals, the whales. We got to see a couple of them, or maybe just one, in different places moving. And yeah, it was also really nice that we were close to the Robben island, so I could see a bit more how the nature looks like. If you enjoyed the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. And yeah, click below in the comments, leave us a comment if you enjoyed the video and what other places you would like to see. And much love from us. Bye. Thank you for your support. We really appreciate all your support, and we read every comment and value every new subscriber. Bye. Oh!
Careful. Careful.
So he,
okay?
yes, thank you.
Did it almost fall off?
Yeah. We are hooking the boat, not on the trailer.
And it's so light,
We are
low
ready.
tide.
Yeah, it's very low tide.
So the boat is super heavy now with the water. So I'm a bit stressed getting the boat, spinning the boat out.
But you're doing great.
Yeah, the car mustn't go backwards.
Yay! We did it!